Isn't it frustrating when you open your wallet and instead of cash or cards, all you find are the ghosts of past paychecks? We've all been there. We are going to explore these male psychology to bring actionable tips that can change how you view money, self-worth, and empowerment. Trust us, by the end of this video, you will feel more equipped to deal with financial lows and be mentally richer. So, if your pockets are light, but your ambition is heavy, let's get started. The first step, number 1, self-reflection, the mirror of truth. Self-reflection. Guys, playing the blame game is easy. Maybe it's the economy, a lost job opportunity, or unexpected expenses. But when was the last time you honestly sat down and evaluated your financial habits? You'll find the keys to unlock your fiscal potential by understanding where your money goes and why. Remember, clarity is power. The more precise your vision, the more control you have over your financial destiny. The male psyche often leans towards action and solutions. Still, before we rush into doing, we must first understand the why. This is where self-reflection plays an integral role. It's about deep introspection, identifying the habits, decisions, and choices that have led to the current financial situation. Have you been eating out too often? Impulsively buying things you don't need? These might sound trivial, but they add up. We can pave a new financial journey based on insight, discipline, and intention by dissecting and understanding our spending behaviors. Moving forward, number 2, establish a growth mindset, rising above challenges. The next one is about establishing a growth mindset. Broke is a situation, not an identity. Because you're facing financial difficulties now, doesn't mean you're destined to forever. By adopting a growth mindset, you'll view challenges as opportunities for personal and financial growth, rather than barriers. Understand that failures are merely stepping stones to success. When you change the narrative from "I'm broke" to "I'm on my way up," you begin to see light at the end of the tunnel. The male brain is wired to be competitive and solution-oriented. When faced with adversity, like financial struggles, it's easy to fall into the trap of pity or despair. However, adopting a growth mindset, believing abilities and intelligence can be developed with effort, persistence, and resilience, can be a game changer. It means seeing every challenge as a lesson, every setback as a setup for a comeback. This mindset fosters resilience, grit, and a never-give-up attitude, essential financial and personal success traits. Number 3, invest in yourself, the best stock in the market. When funds are low, it sounds counterintuitive to spend more. Wrong. Investing in yourself is the best decision you can make. I'm talking about knowledge, skills, and personal development. Books, online courses, or even networking events can be game changers. In the world of male psychology, empowerment often comes from growth. And growth, that comes from knowledge and action. When you invest in yourself, you're setting up a foundation for future success. For men, strength and empowerment often come from achievement and capability. However, these achievements are built on a foundation of knowledge and skills. Investing in oneself isn't just about spending money on courses or books. It's about allocating time, energy, and resources to self-betterment. It's about attending workshops, practicing new skills, or seeking mentorship. This continuous learning increases one's market value. It boosts confidence and self-worth, opening doors to better opportunities and higher earning potential. Onward to the next tip. Number 4, side hustles. More than just extra cash. Moving forward, let's talk side hustles. In today's digital age, opportunities are just a click away. Think of what you're passionate about, or a skill you possess that others might need. Graphic design, writing, tutoring, or even just running errands for others. These aren't just ways to make extra cash. They're bridges to financial freedom and can often lead to more significant, more lucrative ventures. Plus, let's be honest, there's a certain confidence and swagger that comes with having multiple streams of income. The traditional 9-to-5 is one of many ways to make money. Side hustles allow monetization of passions, talents, or skills that might not align with one's day job. For many men, having a side hustle also provides a sense of autonomy, purpose, and excitement. It's not just about the extra income. It's about building something of one's own, being in control, and diversifying sources of income. This approach reduces financial vulnerability and can lead to substantial long-term benefits. Number 5, surround yourself with positivity. Your circle defines you. Guys, you've heard it before. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If you're surrounded by negativity, it's time for a change. Surrounding yourself with positive, ambitious, and successful people will inspire you and challenge you to level up in all aspects of your life, including your finances. These connections can also open doors to opportunities you never knew existed. Men historically have been community and tribe builders. The people you associate with influence your thinking, behavior, and decisions, especially in finances. If you surround yourself with individuals with a frivolous attitude towards money, you might adopt the same. However, being around those who are financially savvy, ambitious, and growth-oriented can inspire better financial habits, introduce you to opportunities, and provide valuable insights or advice when needed. Speaking of connections, number 6, network relentlessly. Opportunities and connections. Another one you can take advantage of is relentless networking. I can't emphasize this enough. Connections are currency. Whether attending industry events, joining online forums, or just conversing at a coffee shop, I always appreciate the power of networking. Every person you meet is a potential opportunity, a potential client, employer, partner, or even a mentor in the modern age, who you know can sometimes be more valuable than what you know. For many men, pride and ego can sometimes hinder the act of reaching out. However, in the modern world, isolation can be costly. Networking is all about building genuine relationships, not just collecting business cards. It's about mutual growth, sharing knowledge, and creating opportunities. Every interaction, casual or formal, can lead to job offers, partnerships, client leads, or valuable insights. A robust network can differentiate between stagnation and exponential growth in today's interconnected world. And now, a personal favorite of mine, Number 7. Celebrate small wins. Fuel for bigger battles. Last but not least, celebrate the small wins. Every dollar saved, every new skill learned, every connection made. These are all milestones on your journey to financial empowerment. By celebrating these moments, you're boosting your morale and solidifying the belief that you're on the right path. Each small win is a building block, a stepping stone towards your ultimate goal. In the race to achieve big dreams, small accomplishments often go unnoticed. But for the male psyche, which thrives on recognition and accomplishment, celebrating these small wins can be a powerful motivator. It's not about being complacent, but about acknowledging progress. Every saved dollar, every debt cleared, and every new connection made is a step closer to financial freedom. Recognizing and celebrating these steps reinforces positive behaviors and builds momentum toward bigger financial goals. And before we wrap things up, there you have it, the blueprint to rise above being broke and having a life of empowerment and financial freedom. It's not just about the cash in your pocket. It's about the mindset, the drive, and the ambition to turn things around. It's not about where you start, but where you're headed. Your current situation is not your final destination. If you found value in this video, like, share, and subscribe for more insights into male psychology and empowerment. Until next time, keep striving, keep thriving, and let's get that bread, gentlemen.